Hello guys, how are you doing? So on this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to check for plagiarism on your contents for publishing on Amazon KDP. It's not hard, it's very easy. I'm going to show you like a shortcut I use to check for plagiarism on my book in less than an hour. Like I plagiarized my entire content in less than an hour. Yes, it's possible, it's not hard, though it depends on how many pages you have on your book and like how many word counts, but still I'm going to show you the easiest ways that you can do that without like going through hell. So one of the ways now is to get your content from the book that you're writing on. It could be a book, anything that you just want to check on plagiarism from. So as we have it here, I've already copied this content already. I've already copied it, and I'm going to go to duplicate checker and paste it. Yeah, the website I use for checking for plagiarism for my content is duplicate checker. It's very okay, just that they have a limit of 1000 words for a person that is not using their pro version. So if you want to go for pro version, it's 25,000 words the limit. So but I don't really need the pro version because this normal version is working fine for me. So now all I'm going to just do now is to scroll down. If I scroll down, I'm going to click on this I am not a robot. When I click on it, I'm going to click on check for plagiarism. So while checking for plagiarism, if I click on check for plagiarism, it's going to start loading and it will start scanning through the content that I pasted for it to see which of the content has plagiarism in it. And as we can see, we already have one result already. It shows that this thing that I posted has some contents that are copyrighted or something, stuff like that. So we're just going to like give it a pause. I'm going to pause this video to wait for it to fully load, and when it's done loading, I'm going to come back so that I will show you guys how you can be able to check for plagiarism without passing through so much stress. So now I will just pause it. Okay guys, we're back. So it says here that it's finalizing the results for the contents that I posted for this file. So I'm just going to wait for it to fully load. Okay, so as we have it here, it has checked for plagiarism for this particular content that I pasted for it, and as we can see here, it has 15 results, meaning there are 15 sentences on this content that I pasted for it that has plagiarism. So, and these are the similar sites, the sites that you can click on to see the reasons why the content is plagiarized. So not to go too far, let's not waste time. I don't want the video to be too short, too long. So I'm just going to come here and copy this. If I copy this, I'm going to copy it. Okay, yeah, sorry, I wanted to tell you guys that when you are copying your content, don't just click and copy. No, because when you copy it, you click and copy, it will give you this extra blue line, and that extra blue line is extra space for your content, and you don't want that, because maybe you have a bullet point on your on your content. It will give it an extra one, and you don't want that. So all you have to do is just to copy it like this. Copy it from the start to where it stops here. You're going to copy it, and then you copy, you highlight, then you copy it, then you come here. So let me show you guys what I do that makes it easy for me to check for plagiarism on my content, like something that someone is going to take so much time like in checking for plagiarism. If you're going to take like 2 hours, me, I can take 1 hour for checking it. So now you're going to come here, you're going to come under edit, which is under the edit. You come down and you find the option of find and replace. If you find the option of find and replace, you're going to paste that particular content that you got from plagiarism checker that's plagiarized. So you're going to come back to your paraphrasing tool, then you click on here, which is the place that you paste the plagiarized contents, and then you paraphrase it. When you paraphrase it, you come and copy it after it has generated the particular it has paraphrased the content for you. Then you come and paste it here. So the reason why I use find and replace is that if the content you pasted is more than twice or 3 on your book, the find and replace is going to find them all at the same time, and it's going to help you just resolve that problem all at once instead of doing it more than 1 to 2 times. So let me copy this again. Let's do it again. Find and replace. I'll paste this. Let me go back to paraphrasing 2. I'm going to paste the content, the test, and I'm going to copy the one that paraphrasing 2 gave me. I'm going to copy, and I'm then going to paste it again. I'm actually looking for a particular one that has more than 2 words that are paraphrased. So let's just try this and see if we're going to get it. So I paste this too. The reason why I don't even wait for it to finish checking is because I know by the time I go to paraphrase the content and come back, it would have found the words for me, and all I have to do is just to paste the one that has been paraphrased and move on. So let's see if we can find a particular word that is like 2 times on the book. Let me copy this and paste. I'm going to paste it on the find. Then you get the paraphrase content and paste it on the replaced. That's how you do, so that you can be able to save time and, you know, stress. It won't be stressful for you, because I know how annoying checking for plagiarism can be, because before that was how I was going through that stress until I found this trick that was really helping me do it in less time. I could finish a book in no time. So let's see. If I don't get it after this one, I'm just going to pause the video till I find. Okay, yeah, so this is what I'm looking for. As we can see here, this particular content is actually 2 on my book. So when I brought it from plagiarism checker and then pasted it on the find, it gave me 2 results for this particular sentence that I posted. So now since I went and paraphrased the content from Quibot and I pasted it here, this find and replace is going to replace all these words all at the same time. I replaced all of them. I just clicked on replace all at the same time. But if you so wish to change the sentence, maybe you find and replace something and you don't want the second one to be the same, you can just copy it and change the first one, click on replace, then go back to paraphrasing to change the second one and click on replace. That one too is no problem. So I think with this I'm done showing you guys how I check for plagiarism on my content without taking so much time and effort. It's not draining. It's very easy. It's something that you can do in less than an hour or 2, because it doesn't take me more than that to check for plagiarism. Mine can even take less than that, because I'm very fast when it comes to all these kind of things. So to say we're done with this video, I'm just going to click on pause and thank you. Just in case any of you have any questions you want to ask, you can drop it on the comment sections, or you can just chat me up directly. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.